plaque, the sticky film of bacteria, and its shard and counterpart tartar can cause problems for your teeth and gums. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll share 9 ways to naturally fight plaque and tartar buildup. Join us as we explore easy and effective methods for a cleaner, healthier smile. Orange peels. Instead of throwing away orange peels, use them to clean your teeth and gums naturally. Rubbing the peel gently against your teeth and gums can remove plaque and leave a refreshing citrus scent. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just delicious. They also contain vitamins and antioxidants that help weaken plaque formation and promote gum health. Baking soda and salt. Mixing baking soda and salt creates a paste that dissolves plaque and neutralizes acidity in the mouth, preventing bacteria growth. Lemon juice. Lemon juice's citric acid fights bacteria and stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria. Coconut oil. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for a few minutes each day can neutralize harmful bacteria and soothe inflamed gums. Sesame seeds. Chewing raw sesame seeds acts as a natural scrub, removing plaque and tartar buildup from tooth surfaces. Cloves with olive oil. Cloves antibacterial blister, combined with olive oil. Make a soothing paste that breaks down plaque when freshens breath. Aloe vera gel with essential lemon oil. Aloe vera gel mixed with lemon oil soothes gums and combats bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling fresh. Sanguinaria extract. Sanguinaria extract, derived from the bloodroot plant, disrupts the formation of plaque and tartar, promoting a healthier oral microbiome. In conclusion, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for preventing plaque and tartar buildup. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups, along with natural remedies, can help you achieve a cleaner, brighter smile. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more informative content.